welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this highlighted wig. This hair is brought to you by Hurela Hair. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize and style this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that is something you guys are interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Reesie, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a wig cap, an elastic band, a bonnet, eyelashes, a brush, as well as some wig caps. This unit is a 24-inch, 150% density highlighted unit, and is also 13x4 lace frontal unit with a natural hairline, an elastic band, as well as adjustable straps and combs. So we're going to bleach these knots using 40 volume developer and quick blue powder. Mix that up to create a thick consistency. We're gonna use our Got2b Glue Blast Free Spray, spray and comb that hairline back to avoid over bleaching, and apply the bleach as normal. I actually let this sit for over an hour and the knots bleached really well, so highly suggest you leaving it on for a minute and adding foil. And don't forget your purple conditioner. So this is the next day. We're going to start plucking this unit. I like to style this unit off of my head before applying it on my head. It just makes everything easier. And I also take my time with plucking the frontal. So what I do is pluck in sporadic motions, and then once I pluck the hairline, I then go back into plucking and taking my time, going all the way back until I reach the tracks. This will create a nice thick hairline. So as you can see, I'm going fast, and then once I go fast, I then slow down and try to pluck that gap. I hope that makes sense. And then I go in with a hair wax stick and a hot comb and just flatten the hairline as much as possible. And this is where we're going to either do a side part or a middle part. I decided to choose a middle part, and then flat ironing it down. So getting a hot comb and a wax stick and hot combing that down just so I could see how the wig is going to look on my head. And don't forget to hot comb those baby hairs so they're out the way. And now we're going to cut baby hair. So what I did was part a triangle and cut the bangs first. So as you can see, I'm cutting straight across for the bangs, and then on each side I then swoop the hair diagonal and then end up cutting straight along the side. This is going to create that nice layered look, and this is going to be basically my starting point of cutting my layers. I do have a more descriptive version of how I cut layers into this unit. I did do a similar hairstyle and everybody loved it, so I will have that linked down on the comment cards and below for you guys to check out. After I do heavy layers, I then go ahead and pin curl this unit. I'm going really fast because I want to show you guys how I install this unit, but overall, if you are wanting a detailed version of how I did those heavy layers, that 70s look, definitely check out in the description below. It's like my second time saying it. But don't forget to add your hairspray before and after you curl your unit, and don't forget to curl away from the face just so it can create those nice bouncy curls, and then finish it off with some hairspray. So now we're going to install this unit. I go ahead and take a wig cap and getting some powder foundation and applying that on the wig cap, and then finishing it off with some hairspray by Eben. It's a nice like tacky hairspray, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs off as well before we apply that hairspray to apply our unit. So yeah, it's the Wonder Lace Hair Bond Gold can. This stuff actually is really good. It lasted on my head for over 3 days, so I think this hairspray is pretty good. I'll link it down below for you guys. I just let that dry, and then once it's dried, then I add my elastic band, and I let that sit for about 10 minutes so it can just melt into my skin. So here 10 minutes is over, and we're just going to take our elastic band off and then cut the lace. And then go ahead and take an eyebrow razor. I like to use eyebrow razors because it just creates jagged edges and makes your wigs look a little bit more natural than just cutting along the, you know, lace with the scissors and it's just straight, then you can really see the lace. I'm not trying to have the lace show, so using an eyebrow razor definitely helps. I buy like a big pack of them and use a fresh one every time. It's not sustainable, so I'm sorry, y'all. After we're done cutting the lace, then we're gonna go ahead and cut the baby hairs, and I cut at a diagonal from short to longer, just so we can create that dimension for baby hairs. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and curl our baby hairs using a pencil flat iron, and we're just going to curl those up. And then after that, we're going to take our Got To Be glue gel, the clear one, and add that to the ends of our baby hairs. This is just going to hold those baby hairs for actually a few days. Like, I only have to do this one time, and the whole time I have my, you know, unit on my head, it just lasts like the whole time. So yeah, we're gonna apply our mousse as well. I'm using the low to body mousse, and definitely use your edge control brush, the comb version or the comb side, and just let the comb swoop those baby hairs for you. And then after you're done swooping them, don't forget to get some hair wraps. I use about 3 of them, and then apply that. And my head's a little big, so it doesn't, you know, tie, so I have to use my elastic band to hold down those wraps. And after 10 minutes or until it's dry, then you can take those off. This is actually a very quick tutorial, so I don't have a song for you guys this time around, but I will in our next tutorials. I just really wanted to recreate this 70s look because it was just going viral on Pinterest, so I just wanted to recreate it again because it actually is a super cute look, and I really love this color. The highlights, the ash blonde, is just bomb. And yeah, I'm just unpinning this hair. And once you are finished with all the pins, or taking out the pins, we're gonna take a wide tooth comb and comb that towards our face. Okay, so don't forget to comb towards your face. That's gonna create that nice big volume that you know, back in the 70s they had all that big volume. Is it the 70s or is it the 80s? I don't know, but yeah, see how I'm combing towards my face? Just make sure it's combed all throughout. It's even better if you use a brush, but yeah. We're gonna shake it up and down, shake it up and down, and then here I'm just gonna play with the bangs. The bangs didn't really come out how I liked it, so I did have to re-curl my bangs away. Don't forget to curl away from your head, you guys. That's gonna create those curls to sit on top of each other in that ultimate volume. And let me tell you, these curls lasted a few days. Like, I'm over here doing a voiceover the 3rd day and it's still curled. So this is great for those that really love bouncy, super bouncy curls and then don't like to curl often. This is a great technique to, you know, yeah, pin curl your hair, girl. And then that's basically it. I just love the luster on this unit. I got so many compliments on Instagram. You guys loved it, so here it is. It's giving wolf cut in a little, like, yeah, I did really heavy layers, but yeah, this is basically it. Thank you so much, Hurela Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video.